is a serum? Serum is a skincare product you can apply to your skin after cleansing and before moisturizing with the intent of delivering powerful ingredients directly into the skin. Serum is particularly suited to do this task because it is made up of smaller molecules that can penetrate deeply into the skin and deliver a very high concentration of active ingredients. This makes them a very effective product for your skin. So what are the benefits of serum? Fade dark spots and pigmentation, help brighten skin, helps maintain skin's moisture level, slow down signs of aging, soothes irritated skin, and refining pores. Garnier Light Complete Vitamin C Serum. This is their most concentrated formula to fade lighten dark spots and acne marks in as fast as 3 days. Its benefits: visibly brighter, spotless skin in as early as 3 days, most concentrated brightening formula, with highest 30 times vitamin C and Japanese yuzu lemon, helps reduce darkening, lightweight texture, superior formula, fast absorbing. Serum works deep to lighten dark spots and acne marks, clinically proven 30 times reduction of spot size in 4 weeks, for all skin types suitable for sensitive skin, and reduces spots in density, size, and color. Garnier Sakura White Hyaluron Serum. This serum gets pinkish glowing skin with most concentrated hydrating serum, boosted with 30 times hyaluron and enriched with Japanese Sakura. This serum is well known to brighten, soften, and smoothen skin. With its non-greasy and fast absorption, serum penetrates deeply within, leaving skin smoother, radiant, and more translucent from first use. This serum suitable for all skin types and dermatologically tested. How to use these products? Spread thinly and evenly on perfectly cleansed face and neck. Use every day and night before your regular moisturizer. Just a reminder, keep away this product from direct sunlight and store at a room temperature. Thank you for watching. Till next time.